Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this device. You need to start by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit. Now tap on display section. In it, you need to scroll down again and click on font size. Lastly, just swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview here, and when you're ready, select the back button. As you can see after that, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!